Okay, so I was looking at something because I was wanting to know what was in Luden's cough drops or Luden's throat drops that I was taking, and I found this page, and there's just a couple things on it that are a little funny to me. So Luden's cough drops, Luden's throat drops, to me, are the closest you're gonna come to candy when you're talking about cough drops, right? There's not really a whole lot in them, but I love this. Tell all of your healthcare providers that you take this medicine, Luden's throat drops. This includes your doctors, your nurses, your pharmacists, and your dentists. I'm not sure if this means that I'm supposed to like wait till they ask if I'm taking any medication or if I'm supposed to like email them. Just let them know, hey, I've got a little bit of a cough, so I've been taking Luden's cough drops. Sorry. So if you have high blood sugar, that makes sense. They are very sugary. Do not use this medicine, Luden's throat drops, for longer than you were told by your doctor. Okay. These other ones are pretty normal, just general. Let's see. Tell your doctor if you're pregnant or plan on getting pregnant. Oh, I'm sorry. You will need to talk about the benefits and risks of using Luden's cough drops while you were pregnant. But I mean, if I'm thinking about getting pregnant, maybe I should just cut back and just forego the cough drops for a little while. Uh, yeah, normal. Don't chew, break, crush, or swallow whole. if you take if you take this medicine on a regular basis and you miss a dose, take it as soon as you think about it. if if it is close to the time of for your next dose, skip the missed dose and go back to your normal time. Do not take two doses at the same time or extra doses. Get two cough drops at one time. That's a little bit overkill. Okay, so let's not get crazy. Many times this medicine is taken on an as needed basis. Do not take more often than told by your doctor. Oh man.